Yes, children, today's class it's Kannada. In this class, you are going to learn how to write these letters. Okay, you have already learned that letters from A to Aha. That is 15 letters I have told you before itself. So you have learned all the 15 letters orally. Okay, and along with the letters, you have learned the words also. See, I'll revise with you. So aramane, ame, ittige, ಈಶಾ ಉಗುರು ಊಟ ಋಷಿ ಎಲೆ ಏಣಿ ಐವರು ಒನಕೆ ಓಟ ಔಷಧಿ ಅಂಜೂರ aha. Okay, so children, you have learned orally these letters. Okay, here the same I have written. I'll read once again. Children, I have told you before itself, there is a lot of difference between two letters. Maybe we'll pronounce same. Okay, you may hear the same sound, but there is a lot of difference. So if we say this this is e o u ru e. I told you before, there is no ru. Is there ru? No, only one ru we have. The next e. Yay. I, even in I also, we don't have I. Okay, we don't have that. So after I, we have O. O. Au. Aha. Children, please keep remember that only one Ru and only one I. I'll underline this. Only one Ru we have and only one I we have. And please children, while saying these letters, you feel the difference. Okay, you should not say I, you, u. No, that is wrong. You should not say like that. Give a pause between the letters and you have to say like this. I said no, See, if I say you to identify the letter okay, this is this is If I ask you to say then you have to keep your finger here. If I say E, this is E. O, this is O. Yay, yay. Okay, then this one, this E, U, E, O. Okay, so this is about your letter A to Aha. So in this class, you are going to learn then how to write these letters. All the 15 letters you have to learn. Okay, so in this class, you are going to learn how to write the first letter. So which is the first letter here? This is the first letter. Aramane. Okay, look at here. In your book also you have here. See. Aramane. Here you have given the boxes also. So how to write this Children, anyhow, you have learned the strokes also. Well, once again, I'll write all the strokes here. So 12 strokes you have learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, you have learned all the 12 strokes. You have practiced it also. I know you are very familiar with the strokes. Once I'll write it here. This is the first stroke and this is the second one. This is the third and fourth we have this, and 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, this is. Then one more we have is this. Sorry, not like that. This is, see, look at here. It should come down. I'll show you once again how to write that. Already you have practiced these strokes in your classwork also, right? So it should touch this line. And again here. So one more stroke we have, that is like this. Okay. Children, in the beginning you may feel somewhat difficult to write the strokes and the alphabet also, because when compared to English strokes and alphabet, this is somehow, the strokes are somehow this is difficult, but if you keep practicing, definitely you are going to get that. Fine. So first, these are all the strokes you have learned. Okay. So by using these strokes only, we are going to write, or we are going to learn the letters. So first letter we have in Kannada is, that you all know, first letter is A. Which is the first letter? A. So to write that A, what we have to do is, in your book you will be having 2 lines like this, right? For English you will have 4 lines, but while writing in Kannada you will be having only 2 lines. You are provided with only 2 lines. So by using these 2 lines only, we are going to write Kannada alphabet. So what is the first letter, children? First letter we have is A. That is A. Aramane. Pronounce it properly. A. The first letter we have is A. Then how to write that letter? See, first stage, one by one I'll teach. So to write A, this A, what we have to do is, put one 0 here. So this 0, it's in your stroke, right? One small 0, a small 0 you write. After this small 0, you continue from here and write like this. Fine. This 0 is here, this stroke is here. If we see this stroke, you will get this here. Fine. So what you have to do is, one small 0 towards down, you have to write like this. Fine. Then after this, what we have to do? Second step. This is the first step. Okay. This is the first step. And the second step, what you have to do is, we have to continue with this. So we will retain this same, and you just take it up. Okay. This is the second. So first we will write like this, and it should go up. Fine. This is where you have stopped here. From here only it should go up like this, till the middle, not till the up. It should not touch this line also. Till the middle it should come. And the third stage, what you have to do? The same 2 we will retain. Go up. Okay. So after going up, what you have to do is, you have to just come down like this. Okay. So these 3. Fine. Like this. And 4. At last, what we have to do is, just same you write. Up, down, and one sweeping line. Towards your left it should come. Okay. So this is how you are going to write letter A. This is not A. Don't get confused. This is not A. This is letter A. So I will write here. Look at here, children. First, what we have to do? First step. First step, what I'll do is, I'll write this stroke. Okay. This is how first you have to write. And the second. So, up. It should touch till the middle. See, keep remember, whatever you start to while writing A, it should come from the this top line, and it should touch the down line also. Fine. The third, how we have to write? We have to write like this, up, and again bend that one. Okay, so this is the third step. And the fourth step, we are going to write the complete letter A. So, like this, down, up, and one curve, and one left, sweeping like towards left it should come. This is letter A. Okay, so this is letter A. Fine. I'll show here how to write. Or here only I'll write. Look at here. If your lines are like this, as I told you, you will be having 2 lines to write your Kannada letter. So to write A, first I am teaching you the letter A. So to write A, you have to start from here, 1 0, up, curve, and one sleeping line. Okay, like this you have to write. See how my hands goes? Look at here. Okay, this. This is the first letter A. Okay, so step by step you have to write like this. This is how you will write letter A. Fine. So next, this is about our first letter A. Fine. So then next, we have to learn second letter, that is A. Okay. So you have learned how to write letter A. Then next, after A, we have letter A. Look at here. Look at here. This is A. So here, children, I'll write that. So if not, I'll show you stage by stage. The steps I'll show you. So you have learned how to write A. Okay. The next letter we have is A, me. See here I have written me, me. So how to write that? Again, we will put 2 lines. This is common. Okay. You have to write in these 2 lines only. So this is me, me, me. Okay. To write this, first you have learnt A, no? Like that only you have to start. This we will write like this. Okay. This is the first step to write letter A. Okay. Write like this. And the second step we have is same as A. You go up. Okay. Middle you go. Fine. So like this you have to go. And then next, third step we have is, what we have to do is, we are using this one. This stroke, or you can directly continuously you can write like this also. See, we will write like this, go up, and this we have now. So this like this. You have learned. See, this is stroke. This stroke you have learned no already. This stroke you have learned. Fine. So this is like that. See, I'll write like this. Go up, middle, till middle you write, and this one you add. How to write this, children? You can write even like this also. See, like this, this. See, you have learned this. See, you have started from here to here. Fine. We can write one more time. I'll show you how to write that one. So first you write like this. Okay. And you write like this. Come up, middle, and next you write like this, and you can write like this also. See, like this also you can write. Okay. Once again I'll show you how to write A. Look at here. First you write like this. Okay. This you have learned, this stroke. And for this you just go up. You can say, no, that is not here. So same way, up. You just go up like this. Okay. To that you can add like this. Right. I'll show you once again. This stroke. We are using this and this stroke. Fine. Go up, and to that add. This is letter R. Okay. So in the beginning you have to follow these strokes only. Then later if you learn or if you keep practicing, you can easily write like this. See? Ah. Ah. Okay. So this is about letter R. And the next. I'll move to the next letter. The next letter we have is, what next letter we have after R? First, this is A, and this is the second letter R. So next we have to learn how to write letter E. That is E, ittige. See, this is E. Fine. Like this it goes. E. It should start from here. E. Okay. So first I'll draw 2 lines. Okay. So write E. What we have to do is, first we are going to use this stroke. Okay. So up, it should touch the upper line. So this is the first step to write E. Next, to that we are adding this. See here, this one. Okay. So this stroke we have to add for this. This one. Okay. This is how we are using. This is the first stroke, and this is from here we are starting now. This is the second stroke. Fine. I'll show you once again. First, we will write like this. And next to this stroke, write like this, and from here you add this one. Okay, I'll show you once again. This is letter E. See, this stroke, and where you have stopped, from there you have to write like this. See, first stroke, second stroke, first stroke, and from here you have to add this. And once you learn that, children, without, if you practice this along with the stroke, you can easily write like this. See, like this. Okay, so this is letter E. So after E, we have one more letter, that is E. Okay, after E, we have E. Look at here, you have learned how to write E. Next we have is E. This is also very easy. See, you have strokes here. Using that strokes only you are going to write. So first I will draw 2 lines, and this is letter E. Look at here. Look at here. Can you see? This is letter E. E, Isha. E, Isha. E, Isha. So then how to write E? So to write this E, I'll use this circle, or I'll use this 0 or this stroke. Write like this. You know, fine. Then to this, we have to add this stroke. So this is the first one, first step. And to that, you have to add this. See, it should touch the upper line. This is the second stage, second step. And third, we will write as it is. And to this, we are adding this one. See, this stroke. This is E. Okay. I'll write here and I'll show you once again. So children, to write E, what you have to do is, first you write the circle like this, and then add this stroke. It should touch the upper line, one sleeping line and one standing line. and next you write this stroke. How to write this stroke? Normally in your two line you are writing like this. See? You are writing like this now in your two line. So this same stroke which it should come in between in this middle. So start from here and it should touch this. Okay, I'll write E once again. So look at here, like this, like this. So children, these are all the strokes you have learned. Only you have to learn when this strokes is properly used. So this is letter E. Okay. If you follow these steps, then it is very easy. Then next we have U. Okay. Next, what letter we have? We have letter U. Next we have letter U. So how to write U? First I'll draw two lines. Okay. So here first 1 0, this 0 is here and this one. This you have to write. I'll show you. First to write U, first one write small 0, not the big one. You write the small 0. And to that you add this one. This stroke is there now. This you have to add. This and wait, I'll show you one step. I'll write properly. Look at here. So as I told, 1 0 we have to write first. Okay. To that 0, continuation of that, write like this. Okay. Write like this. Fine. So you have to write like this. This stroke you are writing like this, no? This is the stroke we are using here. See, you are writing like this, no? Like that stroke we are using here. So it should, after writing this 0, or you can say, see, one more thing I'll show you. One more type. See, if not to that 0, you add this one also. You write like this stroke also. Okay, this stroke, and to this we are going to add this. Like this, up, and this stroke it was, you are writing till here, but to that you should go up. So look at here, this is how you are writing. See, like this, go up, come down and go up. Only the thing is, while writing U, these two upper line and the down bottom line, it should touch these two. So I'll show you children, look it properly. Write this stroke first, this stroke and this, go up like this. This stroke, it was like this, here you are stopping, but here it should go up like this. I'll write once again. See, look at here. Come down, go up, come down and go up. Okay. O. 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 Okay. So this is how you are going to write O. First you write this stroke, and to this stroke you are adding from here to here. But in this stroke you are stopping here. Right? To that we should go up. See here. It should go up like this. Fine. This is letter U. The next letter we have is U. How to write? U. So that I'll put two lines here. So U. U. It seems to be similar, right? But only the thing we have is one more attachment like this. So to write U, first you write this stroke. Okay, and to that you add this one, and here it should go up, and to that you write same U and one more attachment. See, after that we have to write like this. So if we write only this one, children, that is woo. Oo. This is oo. If we add one more like this is woo. I'll show you. I'll write one more time. See? Come down, go up, come down. This is letter woo. Okay, so this letter woo we are going to write like this. See, look at here. So this is woo, woota. Okay, so go up, come down, and again one more time. Woo, woo. Okay, I'll write one more time here. Ooh. It should not lift your hand continuously. You have to write. This is ooh. 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 If we write only this is ooh. If we attach one more stroke like this, then it is ooh. Okay. The next we have is letter ru. Okay. I'll teach you how to write letter ru. Only keep remember, only one ru we have. There is no ru. Okay. Only one ru. So how to write that? Same 2 lines we want. So this is letter ru. Okay. So this is letter ru. So for this what we have to do is this stroke we are not having, but I am teaching you. See, first we have to write one 0. Okay, this is the first step to write ru, this letter. So this is the first step, 1 0. And to that 0, you add one left curve like this. You are writing like this, no? Like this you have learned. But to this, the reverse of that, this one. See, like this you have to write. So 1 0 and one left curve. You write like this. You attach, and from here you go up. You go up like this. Okay, and next to this you add this one. See here, this one we have, and ru, one more like this. So this is letter ru. I'll show you. So look at here, children. Step by step I'll teach you. First you put 1 0 here. Next step 0, and like this that extension you give here, and then next to that you add like this, and then next after writing this you write like this, and after writing you add this stroke like this, and finally you will get this letter ru. One you add like this. Okay, ru. Fine, I'll write here. See, first you write like this, go up, this, this. So this is ru. Children, in the beginning you may feel somehow difficult also, but don't worry, if you keep practicing, definitely it is very easy. Fine. So after ru, we have letter A. Okay. After ru, what we have letter? There is no ru. I told you, right? There is no ru. So only one ru we have. After that ru, we have letter A. What is this? Letter A. So how to write that? See, 2 lines we have here, and to write this A, what we have to do is we have to put one small circle here, not at the top. Look at here, one small circle you write. Okay, so this is the first step. And the second step is first one small circle. To that we have to add this stroke. It should touch the up, down line. See, like this. And to that, the third step is, see, this is A. The third step is it should go up. That's all. So this is letter A. I'll show. Children, look at here. This is the first step. This is the second step. And the third step from here, you should continue like this. A. A. It should touch the upper line. That's all. See, look at here. I'll show you how to write letter A. 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 Okay? A. A. Fine. I'll write one more time. Like this. A. 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 Yale. Okay. So this is a yale. Here it is given. Fine. Then next we have is A. Okay. What next we have is we have A. Then how to write that A? See here. A, yale. You have here, right? A, yale. First, step by step, I'll show you. So children, to write A, what you have to do is that same 1 0. And to that 0, you add this stroke. And to that, you go up. Fine. You go up till here. So this, you can say this is A. Okay. So after writing this, you just give the extension like this. Fine. You are writing like this, no? Like this you are writing, but it should come like this. You can say it as towards your left. This. Fine. So look at here. Like this. A you write. To that you add. Fine. I'll show you. This is A. Look at here. Look at like this. Fine. This is your A, no? To that you add like this. A. A. Okay. I'll write here. Look at my finger, how it goes. A. 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 Okay. See, this is A. This is letter A. A. Then next we have the letter is I. So where is I? Only one I. No I. Okay. This is only one I. I'll draw lines here. So that first one 0. To that 0. Write like this. First step, second step, and the third step is to that, see here, I. So, go like this. Then the fourth step is like this, and this, and this. So, children, you are writing here now, like that. I'll show you. So, look at here. It should touch the top line. See, this is A you think. Okay. To that, you have to add like this. You have to add like this. See, look at here. Like this. This one. Okay. So, but you have to write like this. See, look at here. Like this. Down and like this. Fine. I'll write once again. This is I. Ivaru. Look at here. This is the stroke you are using. Go up. This and this. I. 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 Okay. This is letter I. Ivaru. This same it's given in your book also. Then next we have is letter O. Letter O. Fine. So I'll show you how to write letter O. See, look at here, letter O. 2 lines. I'll draw 2 lines here. To write O, what you have to do is, you have to start from the upper line here. So, 1 0 you put. Okay, 1 0. And to that, from that 0 or like this you write. To that, you are, sorry, wait, I'll show you. You write like this, 1 0 you write. And from there, you come down like this, make little curve, and to that you have to add this 1 0 first. To that 0 you write like this, and to that, after writing this, you add this stroke like this. See, I'll show you once again. Look at here, 1 0 you put. After 0 you write like this. See, like this. This is, children, this is not like this. You have to make little curve like this. See, it should come like this, and to that you add this stroke. Okay, first one circle. To that you add like this, and to that you add this stroke. Okay, this is letter O. I will write you. I'll write and show you how to write. See, O. 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 Don't make it straight line like this. This is wrong, not like that. After writing the circle, you write like this. Okay, you bend that one, and to that, where you have stopped here, no? From there you have to write this stroke. Fine. So this is letter O. O, one, okay. And after O, we have O. After O, what we have? We have letter O. O, Ota. We won't be, the children, can you see any difference in these two O and O? Only the thing is, we have written the same O here, and to that we have given this line. So it is easy also. I show you. So to write O, what we have to do? Write 1 0. Then next to that 0, write like this. And to that, you add this stroke like this. And keep remember, children, it should not, this line, it should not touch up. It should not go up. It should stop here only, because even this stroke also you will stop here, no? So it should not touch up. Okay? So after writing this, you give one right standing line to that. This is letter O. Okay? I'll write you for once again. One circle. To that circle, attach this. Okay? Write like this. And to that, you add this stroke. And after writing that, you write one small standing line, and keep remember that it should not touch this line. See, it should not be like this. It should not be like this. This is wrong. Okay? It should touch. It should come till here only this stroke. See how you are writing this stroke? Like this, no? To that, we have to add this line, one standing, small standing line, that is letter O. Okay, then next letter we have is letter O. Look at here, O. Okay, so O, how we have to write? So to write O, first 1 0, second to that 0, write like this, how you are writing in O and O, then to next, you write like this, and to this, what you have to do is, this is O. See, look at here, this one. So, you have to write this stroke. You have learned this stroke, right? We have to add at the top here. Even for this also, it should not go up. Okay, stop here only. I'll show you. Write like this. And to that, add this stroke. This is aushadhi. I will show you. See, first one small zero. And to that, add this. And to that, sorry, not like this. I told you, one curve like this, bend. And to that, add this one. And to this, add, where is that? See, here, stroke. So, this is letter Au. Okay, this is letter Au. Once again, I'll write. So, how to write Au? Write like this. Like this. Au. 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 Okay, this is how we will write aushadhi. Fine. So, then next we have is anjura. Anjura. Okay. So, how to write is, it's very easy. See, look at here. Okay. To write what we have to do is, first we have to write a, not a. Okay, only a. This is a, this is a. To write again we have to write one a. See, 1 0, like this one, like this up, and to that, write like this, and to this you have to add 1 0 like this. Okay, so this is letter After writing a to 1 we have to add 1 0. See, look at here. This is a sonne a sonne a sonne This is sonne. In English we will call 0, no? This one 0 we will call, no? In Kannada we will call it as sonne. Okay? So if you, after writing a, if we write 1 sonne or 1 0, then it is said to be How many zeros for Only 1 sonne. Okay? A 1 sonne A 1 sonne A 1 sonne 1 is nothing but 1. Then next we have is aha. So the last 15th letter we have is aha. To write this aha, what you have to do is, again we have to write this a. A. Eradu sonne aha. Eradu sonne means 2 zeros we are writing here. So eradu sonne. Sorry, I have attached this. Not like this. I'll show you. So 2 lines. Write 1 a here. A. Eradu sonne aha. Eradu sonne means 2 zeros we have written, no? So like that. A. Eradu sonne aha. A. Eradu sonne aha. A. Eradu sonne aha. A 1 sonne A 1 sonne A 2 sonne aha. A 1 sonne A 2 sonne aha. See, this is letter aha. Okay, fine. So this is about your letters, that is from A to aha. Totally 15 letters we have, children. This is A to aha. This is called Swaragalu. What it is called? These 15 letters, what I have written here and what you have learned orally, that is called from A to aha. That is called Swaragalu. Okay. So if I ask, write the Swaragalu means you have to write A to aha. This is alphabets. In Kannada, in English we will call alphabets, no? In Kannada we will call it this, only this. This A to aha we will call it as Swaragalu. Okay. And still more we have, but in your class, in this year, you have to learn only writing from A to aha. Okay. So this is about your letters A to aha. You may feel difficult, as I told you before, but if you keep on practicing, definitely it is very easy also. Okay, fine.